The E24 error in a washing machine indicates a problem with the drainage system. Several issues can cause this error, including electronic malfunction, blocked or twisted hoses, a clogged drain pump, a faulty water level control system, or a defective lid switch. To fix the error, start by resetting the device. Disconnect the machine from the power source and let it rest before plugging it back in and retrying. Next, inspect the drainage hose to ensure it isn't kinked and allows for a free flow of water. And remove any foreign material that may be causing a blockage. If the hose is worn out or damaged, consider replacing it. The drainage pump should also be inspected, with the filters cleaned and the impellers checked for debris. Additionally, check the water level control system by cleaning the tube that connects the control panel to the water level valve, and replace the valve if it's damaged. Finally, inspect the lid switch to ensure it's functioning properly and tightly closing the lid, replacing it if necessary. By following these steps, the E24 error should be resolved.